Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will be showing you how to make one of my favorite desserts ever. So let's get into the kitchen. You guys are gonna love this one, alright? And if you haven't subscribed us yet, kindly please do so. Also press the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload the next video. And don't you forget to give my video a thumbs up, share me out, and check the description box below for all measurements and ingredients. Alright, so let's get started. So over here I have 4 carrots that I'm gonna peel, and then I'm gonna use the box grater to grate them. I'm gonna use the coarse side of the grater, which is this side, and I'm gonna use the small side, which is this side. Over here I'm greasing the pan. You can use some butter or oil. I'm using my cooking spray. I did cut a piece of parchment paper so I could line the pan, and I'm so sorry I did not show you how I made this happen, but I'll bring that in another video. Now for the ingredients, I have some flour, egg, some white sugar, brown sugar, some salt. I also have some vegetable cooking oil. No guys, do not use no olive oil into this recipe. My carrots, my baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and also some vanilla essence. So I'm gonna pour the flour right over into my mixing dish along with the other dry ingredients. Here I add the salt, the baking powder, baking soda. I also add the grated nutmeg, ground cinnamon, and guys, I'm going to give this a whip with the sugar and making sure that everything is well incorporated. Now I'm adding the carrots into the flour mixture, and I'm doing this because I do not want it to clump up when I am mixing the cake. And this is going to allow the carrots to be distributed evenly throughout the cake and give my cake a nice orangey color. Now add the egg and sugar together using the mixer and let the mixer do its thing. Mix until the egg and sugar is frothy, creamy, and nice. Now I'm going to add the vanilla essence into this egg mixture and mix again just for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to add the melted butter here. Also add the oil and mix. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to add the beaten eggs and just fold it in a little. Guys, I make this all the time and I know my mixture. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and a 1/4 cup of orange juice. And at this time, I'm going to take the hand mixer and mix well. So here you can see I have a beautiful mixture, and I'm going to pour this mixture right over into a 9-inch baking pan. Alright, so into the oven it goes. And after 18 minutes of baking, I did cater for 15 to 20 minutes, but guys, no, it took 18 minutes. You know the cake is finished when you place a skewer in the center of the cake and it comes out clean. So this is a side to loosen the edges of the cake, making sure that it does not stick to the pan. Then I'll place it onto the cooling rack. Remove the parchment paper and look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful and nice. I can't wait to prepare this cake to the next level, guys. Flip it over, set it aside to cool. While that is doing its thing, I am going to go right over here and start my cream cheese butter frosting. So I have 8 ounces of cream cheese here and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So sift your icing sugar just so that you would have a faster finish and an easier way of mixing. I placed mine into my cream cheese and butter mixture, and this is fun for me, guys. I did not sift my icing sugar. I just like to use the whisk, take my hand and just mix it. You can use that electric mixer, that's alright. Anyhow, you are going to still come up with a very nice, creamy and smooth texture. I did add a little bit of lemon extract into this cream cheese mixture. Now my cream cheese frosting is done and I'll just set it aside. So the cake is all cool and nice. Now I place it onto another plate, cut it directly into the center like this. So I have two circular pieces. What I'm gonna do is place a generous amount of frosting onto the cake. And this is so much fun, guys. Just plaster it all around, making sure you got enough there that when you cut, you can actually see that frosting in the middle of your cake. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to place the other piece over this cake, and then now I'm going to plaster the top with all of the cream cheese. Guys, you don't want to leave back any, just put as much as you can over here. Plaster it like this. This is gonna be good. I can't wait to dig in on this cake. Now put some to the side. Now that this is done, it's time for me to sprinkle some carrots right over the top of my frosting. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to place it into the refrigerator and let it sit there for 20 minutes. Now this is the fun part, guys. I seriously get happy when, oh my goodness, look at how this knife went right down into the cake. Look at this, guys. Ooh, you can tell from the cut. So let's remove it. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, look at this. Look at the texture. Oh my goodness. Yes, guys, this is what my carrot cake looks like. And if you do not like carrots, trust me, you're gonna like carrots after today. This cake is so moist, so delicious. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. Have you guys seen the texture of this cake? It is so moist. Look at this. This is what you call a carrot cake, guys. Let me tell you. You need to go try this cake. Let me know what went down when you do it. And believe you me, this is just a great idea for Mother's Day. So, enjoy and happy Mother's Day in advance. I will see you over on the other side. I have more stuff coming. Bye.